Hey guys, what's up? It's Miss Dwyer. Want to explain the worksheet that you guys are going to complete today about the Weary Blues. First, you'll notice that each question has a box underneath it. This is where you will type your answer. So, first question, what is paraphrasing? You will type your answer right here. So go back to the original slideshow and go back to the slide that says what is paraphrasing and go ahead and paraphrase the paraphrase slide in your own words. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to break the poem into 3 parts and you're going to paraphrase it. So let's do the first couple lines together to give you an idea. So let's go back and look at our poem. Let's look at the first couple lines. Droning a drowsy, syncopated tune, rocking back and forth to a mellow croon, I heard a Negro play down on Lenox Avenue the other night. Okay. So we're going to move some of it around too, because that might make sense too when it goes to paraphrasing. I was on Lenox Avenue when I heard a black man playing the blues. It was a sad song, and he swayed back and forth with emotion as he sang. So you'll see that I moved some of the stuff around, right? Because it was easier to write if I moved the part about Lenox Avenue to the first part. So don't be afraid to move stuff around, okay? So you will do that for the rest of lines 1 through 16, which is down here to Coming from a Black Man's Soul. Then the next section, lines 17 through 31, and then the last little bit, okay? 31 to 35. Now, after you've done with the paraphrasing, I want you to explain to me in one poem what the poem is about. In one line, in one sentence, what the poem is about. Then I want you to tell me what is the theme of this poem. Well, think about the message that the author is trying to give us about music, about life, about feelings. How did the paraphrasing help you understand the poem on a deeper level? Then I want you to tell me, what is the tone? How does the author sound? How can you tell this is the tone? Provide at least one line of textual evidence to support your answer. The next section is you're going to complete a chart for some of the literary elements that are used in the poem, and you're going to tell me how that element contributes to the atmosphere of the poem. So you'll see that I've attached a literary device overview to kind of refresh your memory on what these are. So let's do one together. We'll do a simple one. So he slept like a rock or a man that's dead. So this is a literary device, and there's a word in here that clues us into what it is. What's that word? It's like. We know a comparison using like or as is a simile. So how does this simile contribute to the overall vibe or message of the poem? Well, to say when you sleep like a rock or a man that's dead, you could say that it helped him show how emotional the singer was. So you'll complete that rest of this chart, and then you have a question here at the end that I want you to answer in pretty great detail about your own life and music in general.